Hey, hello. How you guys doing? Is it so incredibly hot by you guys? Also, we like still in the 30s. It is extremely warm here. You can see the mist between the buildings. It's so beautiful, but it is hot. So I think we're ready for a few storms again, which is quite welcome to break the heat. Okay, let's quickly start clearing for you. So my fan is on because it's extremely hot. There we go. So how was your day? What did you do? Did the readings help you? Please provide feedback to me privately if you don't want to share it publicly. Also appreciate it. I know you don't always hear what you want to hear, but unfortunately that's beyond my control. Give me a second. Okay. Hopefully tonight also the signal will be much more stable, so it doesn't sound like I'm DJing here. Okay, let's see what's happening here. I do apologize for the kids, but what can you do? School's almost starting, still people on holiday, and kids must enjoy themselves. Okay. Excuse me. Hi Caroline, how are you? I just said earlier if you got any value from the guidance here, although it be a bit short, please be as kind as to provide feedback. If you don't want to do it publicly, please, you're always welcome to inbox me. My WhatsApp button is always on the post. You can just send me a WhatsApp. And just remember the guys that I said 2 weeks ago, if you're ready with your questions, please let me know so we can do the pendulum and then also the tasseography. It's time to have fun here, don't you think? Yeah. Did you see that thing I posted today? It's like, what is your funny name? Did you put it on? Did you do it? I had fun doing it. It's always funny to see what comes out there. Okay, the first one that came out tonight is Ace of Pentacles. Divine wish being granted. Okay, so you see me shuffle the cards. I shuffle the cards after I'm done. Before I put them back into their main box, I shuffle them. So they can't lie in the same position. My luck of it falling out, exactly the same again. No, it's not my luck. It's the questions that's being asked and the answers come out. Okay, so the divine wish. Money is coming in. The divine wish is being granted. So you need to keep your focus on what it is that you asked for. Don't lose track of your focus. Stay in that direction because this is working for you. Then we've got 7 of Cups. the reminder comes, all that glitters is not gold. It might look sometimes like, oh, this is a great opportunity, but do your homework, go look a bit further. Don't just fall head over heels into something if you're not sure. Okay? Deception is rife. People love to deceive people, so always be awake. And it says here to look beyond the clouds. Look beyond the obvious, the smoke screen, the dazzle that's being put in front of you, because you don't know what is waiting behind the dazzle for you. Always be awake. Then, and this is touching on a question someone did ask last year already, and it's revisiting. 5 of Cups. Money losses. All is not lost. If you look behind you, you'll start seeing that whatever you thought is now the end, it's not the end. There's never an end. If something stops, it's to make space for a new beginning, for new things to come into your life, for things to get to get better for you. You may have something to salvage. Think about it. You may have something to salvage. Okay, so don't just give up. Go back, backtrack, go look at everything. Then we've got 9 of Swords. Tears and frustrations. Letting go of emotions. You need to get out the emotions that's bottling up. Okay, if I have a patient, I put them on the bed and I start the session, the part that does not move stays stagnant. And that's my indication that there is definitely a problem with emotions that's stuck. You must also remember, emotion that's stuck in your body manifests as a physical problem at the end of the day if you don't look after it, if you don't take care of it. If, say you've got heartache, that goes and lies in your lungs, throat, difficulty speaking, you're not, letting the emotions out, you're not saying, something is wrong, please can you help? Okay? And this is one of sorrow. So if you've got a nasty cough or asthma or something like that that you can't get rid of, you know the origin of it. It's that heartache, that heart sore that's stuck inside of you. It needs to come out. I'm not talking about allergies or a cold. In our country, to have a cold or flu now is highly unlikely, but it is likely that you might have an allergy attack with all the winds coming from Mozambique and then coming from Madagascar and blowing around the South Point up into the country. And if it comes from Namibia, Ghana, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and into our land again, yes, you can have allergies because it blows pollens that you're not used to, your body's not used to it. So before you go running to your doctor that you're now actually sick, please have some allergy medicine. Do your allergy medicine for a week before you decide, okay, now you actually have got bronchitis or something. An allergy that's untreated actually goes over into bronchitis or pneumonia. And don't take flu medicine. Okay, and look what is the cause of your short of breathness, your asthma. Asthma gets caused by anxiety. Pay attention to what your body is telling you. And then 4 of Swords. And it's so funny that I actually did that whole thing now. Sickness, bed illness, needing to take time out. You need to rest a little bit, remove yourself from everything that is clouding your mind, working on your last nerve, working on your soul. Excuse me, because if you don't, you are going to end up sick. And we're getting back to, again, stress and emotions that's not relieved, that is not getting out of your body, that manifests into something physical. Take care of yourself first. Okay, so you need your rest, you need your relaxation. I just want to put it in here, if you go on leave, and it's an actual proven fact, if you take 3 weeks, if you leave the day that you go on leave, say you go to the coast or to Namib, or you go into the bushveld, or wherever you go, the first week is a time in which you actually start unwinding. After the first week, your second week is a time where your body goes into relaxed mode. It's like, oh, I can breathe, I don't need to get up. I can sleep till 10 o'clock, I can go and sit on the beach at 3 o'clock in the morning, or I can be outside 4 o'clock in the morning to see the sunrise coming up over the mountains, or wherever you are. By your third week there, you are going into a relaxative state. That is where you really start relaxing, where your mind is switched off from work, where there's no concern regarding work, and you actually just start to manage to breathe and smile, and your shoulders start pulling down. You can really enjoy life and be in the moment, and then you go back to work. That is why you've got extended leave at work, is that you can actually take a break, make it a good one, totally unwind, totally relax, and then only go back to work again. That 2-3 days here, a week here, a long weekend there, yes, it takes some of the stress off, but it does not help you to switch off from technology, from the rush and the concern about things at work. So if you want to take leave, make sure that you do a good one. Okay. Then we've got 10 of Pentacles. Money contentment. Signing of a money agreement. Here's your answer that you've been waiting for. It is coming. It is here. This is for the now. Okay, and please remember, when you try to manifest and you actually ask your angels and your guides to assist you, that you make sure to say now. They don't know the difference between tomorrow, a week later, a year later. Whatever you ask is now. Okay. Let's see what the Immunology says. Oh. Okay. Work through your fears. It's coming up at once again. Going back to the previous tarot, you haven't done this yet. That's why the anxiety is still there. This is where your feeling ill comes from. You need to address this in order to heal properly. Okay. Prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. When you draw this card, it actually shows you, the same as with the other tarot card, it shows you, hi Marilu, welcome. It actually shows you that you are going in the right direction. Yeah. Okay, last night I spoke about opportunities at work and creating opportunities, and this one is telling you go forward. Okay. And then we've got show the world the real you. It's important to connect to people, to let people get to know the new or the real you. Not saying that you need to totally bare your soul and open everything up to people, but how must people get to know you? How do you want to form relationships? Of course, you keep your guard up. You don't let people take advantage of you. You don't let people hurt you unnecessarily. But somewhere, they need to see the real you. It's like me doing this, and I keep up a facade, and I pitch up here straight blown hair the whole time, and I look like I'm going to step out of vogue. And it's not me. How much people identify with that? I think the people that does know me is going to scream of laughter if they see that, because that's really not me. This is me. Okay? Relax. Relax. Let people get to know you. Okay? And then, nothing is yet set in stone. Okay? Nothing is yet set in stone. So, make changes. It's never too late to start building. It's never too late to change direction. It's never too late to start something new. So go for it. Why not? Okay, you've got permission. Go for it. A question came through for the pendulum. I did take it out. I put it here on the side. So let's see what is going to. Obviously, I want another question. You will know your question. Hello, people. Okay, so let me quickly do this. Show me your yes. Stop. Show me your no. Stop. Okay, so whoever has got the question, here's your chance. You've seen the yes, you've seen the no. The answer is no. So, I hope really with all my heart that it did help you with that question, and that it gives you a point of how can I say, comfort, so you can know where to have a starting point from. Okay, so that is it for tonight. I hope this helped you. Please remember to provide me with feedback. I'll so appreciate it. I'll see you tomorrow night. The peoples that got the pendulum, 10 questions, contact me. Book your spots, please. I can't always just slot you in somewhere. And then the tachography, I said the first 2 people, let me know. Tachography, and then we can get going. I also need to book you, slot you in, so I can know where to put you in and times. Okay, please do that. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow night. Keep cool, keep warm, be safe. Learn to swim. Okay, it's always safe. Learn to swim. Bye. Love you.